Yes, thank you. And let's do this.
All right, let's have some fun.
Stay tuned on Player DXP for their happy hours, post-brunch, shisha, and all-day breakfast offers.
Oh, sorry.
The volume, okay.
Don't worry about it.
So basically what's happening right now, we are drifting in a front-wheel drive car, and you see how it is. Also. See these tight turns?
Let's see if we can.
Oh yes. Don't get too dizzy, guys. Epic. Fantastic. Here we are right there. Yeah. That's fun actually, if you didn't try it before.
It's something a little bit different,
Yeah.
technically, because the thing is, with rear-wheel drive drifting,
Yeah.
it's quite a loud experience. It's going to
Yeah.
need a much bigger space than this. You can do
Exactly.
something in here, but it won't be as you won't have as much movement.
Exactly.
With this, it keeps the fun, and you don't need a proper drift car to do it. This
Yep.
is a standard.
Amazing.
This is a standard Golf Scirocco, sorry.
Yeah.
And you can just do whatever you want with it. Smoky tires, everything you want.
Dude, you see the smoke, guys.
And switch.
Here we are. Epic party. Okay, great.
good.
Thank you.